Hi, this is Yvette. Scared of networking? Well, it can feel like a little bit scared because you come in an environment where you probably don't know anybody except of the main speakers because you come for them. But networking gives you always a feeling of, feeling insecure. Who shall I go to? What if we don't click, or the topic that they share is not interested? So I want to help you today to be yourself at the networking events. Let's try and change your approach today. For instance, real estate agents. They meet so many people on so many locations, and if they come, for instance, to an event and they're scared of networking, it gives them a feeling of fear, insecurity, and then you see others walking around like they own all the apartments, like they sold so many apartments already. They feel so secure, and then maybe you don't feel secure. Well, here are some tips that can help you. It's normal to feel that way. Even they feel like that, but they're better in hiding it. Or maybe they don't have this problem at all. But the key is you need to shift your mindset from selling yourself or the properties to building relationships. I met a lot of brokers and they all want to sell me an apartment. Well, why should I want to do that? I can find an apartment myself. But it is actually the relationship that you build with this person. They call me, but none of them know me. None of them know my business. None of them know if I'm a grandmother or a mother, how many children. They don't really know me. And with investing this kind of money, it's actually, you need to trust somebody with it. And you need to let that somebody granted the income that they will get from the sale. If you don't have any contact or relationship with your buyers, why would they want to sell it to you? Why? So it's very important, if you, instead of selling yourself or your property, you need to start building relationship. And it helps when before you go to the network, you ask yourself, okay, who is there? Who am I going to meet? What can I ask them? What kind of questions? And it would be good if you just prepare yourself, but also maybe practice at home. That you say like, hey, my name is Yvette. How are you? What do you think about the event? What did it help you? What was the most important thing that would change your life today? Just on a lower level, have this conversation and share some things also that you have gone through. People remember how you made them feel, not what you have said. So it's very important that, when you go to an event like that, is that when you approach people, you don't just run to people, you just observe them. Maybe is there some eye contact, or you just meet them walking around, or you just walk up to them if you feel comfortable, and you want to speak maybe to 2 or 3 people. If you say, oh, I'm going to speak to 10 people, but then you make it harder for yourself. Also, if you want to talk to the main speaker, focus on that. For me, most of the time, I want to speak to them, but when I'm going to speak to them, I don't know what to ask them. So I don't even try, I'm intimidated by them. But all the other people who are, that's a point that I can work on. That's definitely a point I'm gonna work on. but it's, you can, there are people just like you. They are curious just like you. They are learning just like you. So be nice to yourself. Just have in your mind, I want to meet 3, 4, 5 people, or I want to know more about this subject, and I'm going to see who actually knows more about it, and make some contact. Not so long ago, I was here in Dubai. I was on one of the great events, and I met some very, very, very nice people. It was for 3 days. And after the event, we went to the marina, Dubai Marina. We had dinner, we had WhatsApp, we had, different kinds of communication now. And it's so fun to meet these people. If we're gonna meet again, I don't know. But these 3 days, it was very nice being with them. And it's an experience. Why people come there, what is their intent, what did they learn, what didn't they like. It's very interesting just to have a relationship with people, and that's important. I think if you want to sell something and you're just talking about your product, especially if it's an expensive product, then you need to know the person behind the one that wants to buy it. You need, if they invest so much money, who is that person? Who? And these people will then you build trust. You build trust with them. And I know there's a lot of pressure with brokers. They need to get their targets, and also, they need to sell. That's why I think you should be on my event, because I will help you with your money mindset, and to be open to receive more, and to be secure in who you are and in the business that you have. Anyway, so the next advice is focus on listening. Not talking, selling. Focus on listening. What does the other person wants? What does it need? What does the person don't like? All these things are very, very important. And ask open questions. What is your biggest challenge in real estate right now? Do you also experience this and that? And really genuine interest. That will help you build trust. That's actually what I want to say. So I wish you good luck on your next event.